Ever wonder how a simple sketch transforms into a wearable piece of art? Well, the magic lies in the process of pattern making and drafting. It's the unsung hero of the fashion industry, the invisible thread that weaves ideas into reality. Today, we delve into the enigmatic world of pattern making and drafting. First, let's understand what pattern making is. Picture it as a blueprint for a garment. It's a two-dimensional map that guides the construction of a three-dimensional piece of clothing. It's an art, a science, and a language that communicates the designer's vision to the seamstress or tailor. Now, imagine pattern making as a journey. The first step on this journey is the creation of the basic block or sloper. This is a simple, fitted garment pattern that serves as the foundation for all other designs. The basic block is customized to the wearer's measurements, ensuring a perfect fit. Next, we have the drafting stage. Drafting is the technical process of turning the basic block into a full-fledged pattern. This involves adding seam allowances, markings, and other necessary details. During this stage, the designer's creativity truly comes alive, translating the sketch into a tangible pattern. The third step is the trial and error phase. This involves creating a toile or a muslin, which is a rough draft of the garment sewn in inexpensive fabric. The toile allows for adjustments and corrections before the final garment is made. The final stage is grading. Grading is the process of creating different sizes of the pattern. It ensures that the design maintains its proportion and fit across all sizes. Pattern making and drafting is a dance between precision and creativity. It's a meticulous process, but it's also a playground for innovation and imagination. So, what have we learned today? We've learned that pattern making is the blueprint for a garment, the first step in bringing a design to life. We've discovered that drafting is the technical process of turning the basic block into a full-fledged pattern. We've understood the importance of the trial and error phase and the role of grading in creating different sizes of the pattern. Pattern making and drafting is the heartbeat of the fashion industry. It's the bridge between a designer's vision and a beautiful, wearable piece of art. It's a skill that requires patience, precision, and a sprinkle of magic. So, next time you wear a piece of clothing, remember the journey it has taken from a simple sketch to the garment you're wearing. And don't forget, behind every great design, there's an even greater pattern. And before we wrap up this exploration of pattern making and drafting, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. There's a whole world of fashion waiting to be discovered, and you wouldn't want to miss out, would you? Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep creating.